Hello guys, it's Katrina of Vlogs here again. Welcome to another van life episode. Today, let me take you to the beach and let's talk about some personal reflections. New Year isn't just about a fresh start. It's also about looking back past year and reflecting on our learnings. Let's run through some of my travels. 2021 has taught me a lot of things. This year, I was able to build the van of my dreams. I finally got the van build that I've always wanted from a van. I've always wanted to be able to cross islands. With the pandemic and all, at least I was able to cross Cebu Island. Cebu is so beautiful. Pristine waters made me feel that I could live there forever. How I wish. Let's wash the dishes, guys. Yes. It's good, all good. Yeah, cheers guys. My TV appearances and interviews this year helped van life or car camping somewhat acceptable to my country. However, we can never prevent those who would always choose to judge us. Those who would always throw hateful messages. At first, I would always fight back, but the constant personal messages that I receive from people, how I was able to inspire them, makes me realize throwing rocks at those trolls isn't worth it. My travels transitioned from being a personal stress reliever. Oh my gosh, it's fogging na guys. It's starting to fog. Let me show you. Imagine, huh? To being able to help local businesses. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Sarap ba? Show them. Let me show. Ano ba? For 100 pesos. So, ito yon. Two. Then, Typhoon Odette came. Guys, andito po tayo ngayon sa Dumaguete. Ang tubig mo, wala daw. Wala sila yung tubig. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh my gosh, oh, where's ba is It's telling us that anything could happen, or that you could lose someone or any valuable thing in an instant.
Barangay Suba, sir. Medyo nakulang ang damage dire kay dire man ang tanan nga tubig coming from the uphill dire gyud ni pa tulong pa ito panimalay dire nga nawala.
This year-end disaster made me realize what matters most, that life matters most.
So dagan pa tang extra from Sitio Bliss and Kanipaan ari na ta sa Kabuga na pod.
I wish that 2022 will be kinder. I know anything can happen again, but we must be stronger and support those who are weak. Meanwhile, enjoy muna natin ang sunset.